Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to do the 30 minutes of CPU throttling test comparison between the iQOO Neo 6 device versus iQOO 9 SE device. Snapdragon 888 processor versus Snapdragon 870 processor. So let's find out the 30 minutes of intense CPU throttling test comparison side by side. How much results we're gonna see between these both phones. Like for example, how much high temperatures both phones can actually increase. So that's what I'm going to check in this video. Snapdragon 870 and Snapdragon 888 processor. 30 minutes of time, both phones. As you can see clearly friends. Same settings I'm trying to select 100 threads and 30 minutes, and we'll try to find out what will be the temperature readings as well at the end of the benchmark test. Right now in the beginning it's about 26 and 25 degrees Celsius. Pretty close to each other, nothing much huge difference, right? And again I'll be back after 15 and 10 minutes and 20 minutes as well. So right now as you can see friends, these are the graph looks like between the iQOO Neo 6 device versus iQOO 9 SE device after 12 minutes of time. You can see Snapdragon 870 processor and the Snapdragon 888 processor. As you can see the difference between these both mobile phones. So you can see the temperatures 37 degrees Celsius and 38 degrees Celsius, and the performance is pretty high in this device iQOO Neo 6 and iQOO 9 SE. You can see the performance scores. So definitely it's the temperatures are pretty low and the performance is pretty high than the iQOO 9 SE. You can see the cooling system and you can see the Snapdragon 870 efficiency as well. And again I'll be back after some time. So right now as you can see these are the graph looks like between these both phones, iQOO Neo 6 device versus iQOO 9 SE device with the Snapdragon 888 processor. You can see the side by side comparison. So how the graphs are, and you can see the performance scores about 3 lakhs and 2,74,000 between these both phones at this moment. And the temperatures are 38 degrees Celsius and 39 degrees Celsius. So which is slightly kind of lower in the iQOO Neo 6 device, 1 degree. That's not a huge difference, but just little bit. You can see. And the battery percentage dropped to 89% from 99, 10% is decreased. From 97 it dropped to 83%, 14% decreased. As you can see, the battery is also slightly kind of dropping fast in the iQOO 9 SE device. So temperature is high and battery is dropping higher, and performance scores are also slightly kind of similar to the iQOO Neo 6. So again I'll be back after 30 minutes of time. Right now as you can see friends, finally the CPU throttling graph has been finished between these both phones, and you can see the results for yourself with the 78% throttling and 82%. But try to look at the high performance scores. iQOO Neo 6 3,46,000, 3,11,000, 269, 341, 298 and 276. And temperatures also 1 degree difference is there between these both phones in most of the time while comparing. And the battery dropped to 86% from 99 and 82% from 97. Between these both phones regarding the battery dropped as well. So battery kind of slightly decreased faster in the iQOO 9 SE when compared with the iQOO Neo 6 device. So iQOO Neo 6 has got slightly higher scores and less temperatures, and battery backup is slightly kind of good while doing this kind of CPU throttling test. Meanwhile, signing off friends, until then stay tuned for more updates. This is the quick intense kind of testing, and next time I'll try to do the test with the 1 hour of time. Until then stay tuned and bye.